Hi and welcome to this Level 3 flexibility course on how to train extreme mobility safely. This has been something that has been increasing in recent years, is a lot of students and performers are desiring higher and higher levels of mobility, and a lot of teachers are struggling with keeping up with this demand in a way that they know is safe for their students. A lot of students come to me asking if certain movements are safe or how to teach them safely. So we wanted to pull together all of the knowledge from the Level 1 and Level 2 courses to really teach you specifics of going into some of the movements or tricks that are desired by a lot of students. The first part of this course is looking more about really carefully assessing each position and elements that combine to make these positions possible. This is something that I really want you to focus on in this course, is really honing your levels of assessment in order to curate the most appropriate program for that particular performer. We're going to look at many common positions and look at the safest demonstration of that skill, and also potentially dangerous habits that dancers or gymnasts might use when they're doing these more frequently. We're going to look at how to take it out of context to retrain in the safest, most appropriate way in a nice sequence so that we can then rebuild it back into the high level skill once we have all of these components. This should help you develop your own programs around any additional poses or movements that you have involved in your discipline. And I really want you to empower your students with these skills as well. The people that we're working with are the high-level performers and teachers of tomorrow. So if we can empower them to understand how flexibility works and how to go about getting it safely, then we may even be able to reduce some of these injuries that we see at this high-level training.